time. This is the time. Look into your eyes. I look into your eyes.
Is that Kookie, my baby?
Hey, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Oh, like me a weird feel.
That's why she come from earlier, babes.
Hey, boy. Do you have any fire leaving here from last night?
You can look at me and ask me if I'm fire. You know, see me always a spitfire. Go in this, go in this. Listen what me I say. So next time you ask me if me have spitfire left in me, I get a lesson teach you, see me?
Alright.
Don't ask me that again.
Okay.
Yeah, me say.
Okay, babe, okay.
Come on.
Relax.
We're going.
Cook some food for you.
I don't want a chair. No, I'm going to breathe up. I can sort this right or something.
I hope you enjoy.
I mean, man.
Extra effort in everything just so you can come have a nice time.
What?
Yeah.
So you amazed me?
How was it, babe?
Good man. It's very nice.
Thanks.
Nice, man.
Hey, you're so sweet.
Like the dumpling. Okay. Hey boy, how him take you coming in so early this morning? Like, how you accept that?
What do you mean?
I just want to know, like, what you think about that?
Last night when I came, this morning when I came, I say the boys start bother me. But you know, me did so tired because they deal with me last night. Never have no energy. I just go on my bed, not even take a shower. Yeah.
Nasty.
That was not being nasty, but you know, I never have no strength for nothing else.
If you have strength after me and you go through them the marathon.
Right. And the boy wake, make all breakfast, give me everything. You have to see you, man.
But let me go.
What? I said, no, sir.
So I'm not trying to
I'm
hold
not
and
even-
tell you.
I'm not even upset right now, man. I know.
A joker. I mean, noise.
Yeah.
You did perform. I like it.
Alright.
Breakfast sweet, no. Hold on, yeah. You must say I forget something.
What's that?
The morning kiss, man. It's like strawberry. Say that going. Well, you know me. You know, so the Spitfire, the Jagger essence always run through my vein.
Yeah.
And the heat of you.
Alright.
Take your time. Don't buck it too. Hold on the baby.
What?
This type of acts can't leave evidence behind.
See, we realize they did take off the ads. Oh, babe. You're not telling me all your food here?
B, how could I food it? This food salt you're bumping at.
What do you mean?
Food is good, but food salt naturally, but it good. Come on. You can't bear that. Man, take time to eat me, now. Cause from last night you go and like say you want mash up man killing you. And me I go mash you up tonight. Come on, pull this out. Pull the thing off of me, man. I'm most like that.
Hurry up!
Stop worrying, man. You feel hurry up and open up your foot.
You know, babe, no call me from morning. Be gonna work and see it there. I'm regular break time this year, you know. And he no call me. Probably be on a credit.
have reached the voicemail box of
Voicemail. It's not. But being a normally turn off your phone.
have reached
God. They don't even they ring. You see that boy? That boy, God. Me now while him, check in location. I'm a tough fact. Me text my driver car. Me go out. I went tell me say my work when me track this. And you know out there. Then him talk about me love contention. Me love contention. God. Me say that little youth. I'm gonna call my driver, you know. Me all nervous. God. Alright. Location. Now give me some sense. Why I feel say me a ramp with him, God.
You have reached the voicemail box of 1-877-648-21287. You can leave a message after the tone. When you're finished, press the number sign or just hang up.
So B, oh you know link me and your break time. This not you. You know make me know if you're good, nothing like that. It's all good, man. Don't worry yourself. Me there me yard same way. The wait. You watch me and that boy. Go put on some. Me not even beard me a beard too. I'm anxious. God. This is not even a pick up like me have to go inside to get the range. You see where the boy there fit. Call me driver. Why?
Cookie. Why, yo. Ever since I take care of me, I always know if you touch a pressure point, then you would.
Well, they deserve it. Because they always a pressure my point.
Know it.
Yeah.
Better know it.
Jesus. Then how will me a go? Like me a lost. And this a little idiot taxi boy and see it. I don't know where me a going, oh God. And he could carry me come and say, Father. Yes, when I find that little piece of boy I want to have, I go charge him murder. And he know enough to ramp with me, you know. I have to just set it good for can know where me a go. Uphill, downhill. So the arrow set. So the arrow set. You wait. And then everything look you see I mean this a piece of place here. You wait, man.
Hold on there. You want me to shout me for man? I'm mommy. I'm going to shout me, I'm going to see me there, okay? Sometimes I'm there, I work, man. It's a car calling me. Mommy love that one, I tell her. Nah, I'm up still, man. Make she call. And me free up, just ring her back and shout her back and tell her, say, you're busy. She good, man. Perfect. Yo, it's like you have your hands up, angel. Damn. Damn, girl. You God bless you. Yeah. Give me a kiss. Why? Alright. She good still, man. So much out her back. She good, man. Damn, kill it. So calm my food. Time out.
God. I not even have no water. Eh? See, me say, Father, say, me never love that boy, and I would do them foolishness and I would. I could do them stupidness, oh, me I do, God. Oh, me I do. Look how far me come. Eh? Look how far. Oh, God. You wait when me buck you. Wait.
Damn time, I call my phone. Man, I work, you know, man. I have to just work, girl. Me work this, so. Me work, yes, so. Love me work. Hey, yo, even though I got so